What is risk and provision? Risk can be defined as anything that brings benefits or goodness to us. Thus, risk encompasses wealth, family, ties, intellect, health, and everything else that are beneficial to us and can help us fulfill our duties and obligation to serve and obey Allah. Dua for wealth. اللهم أكثر مالي وولدي وبارك لي فيما أعطيتني. O Allah, increase my wealth and children and bestow your blessings on whatever you give me. Dua for Rizq. اللهم اغفر لي وارحمني واهدني وعافني وارزقني. Translation: O Allah, forgive me, have mercy on me, guide me, guard me against harm, and provide me with sustenance and salvation. Please read Darood Salam. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم.